Hey everybody, welcome to the cabin. So today we're gonna get a few projects done in the mini cabin. Come inside, join me, and let's get some stuff done. So Jed's really excited now that we have the mini cabin to this stage where our kitchen's pretty much installed. The only thing I haven't done is hook up the cook stove. Power. We have the DJI Power 1000 running the entire cabin now. All right, you excited to get your stove hooked up?
Mm-hmm.
What, are you gonna bake me something nice?
Not you.
The DJI Power 1000 is gonna take good care of this project.
Mm-hmm.
Charging all our power tools. We're gonna install a new light here. That's powering the whole cabin. I think it could take care of everything we need, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's get the propane stove hooked up right now.
There you go, guys.
Ta-da!
Set up inside.
If you're doing gas lines, you should use soapy water on all your connections to test it.
All good?
All good.
Ooh. Look at that. Now does the oven work too? Got the oven turned on and it's reading at 380 to 390.
This stove has a heating coil or igniter coil, kind of like a glow plug. It gets hot. That's what the 400 watts is for from the DJI. And once that igniter or heater, I think it just kicked on. Once that heater coil is hot, the gas turns on. I think I just heard it kick on.
Yep, it's all on.
There we go. Pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Now Jen's oven's running. What do you...
I'm gonna go make some brownie mix.
All right, everybody. We got the DJI Power 1000 straight out of the box at 42% charge. We've been using it while we hooked up the propane stove for lights, and we tested the propane stove with its heating coil. We tested it with the vacuum to clean up after ourselves. We've charged our power tool batteries. It's done a great job. It was down about 14% after doing all that. I figured I would hook up the DJI to the generator, the gas generator, and charge it up for a bit. We have wintertime conditions here. Solar does not work real well when you don't have sunshine. We haven't seen the sunshine in close to 6 weeks. Even for the system for the cabin, we do have to run the generator to top it off. I figured we grab some juice from the main generator as well and charge up the DJI. It's been on here for about 20 minutes and it's gone up 20%. And we're gonna allow for it to continue to charge while we hook up our ceiling light. The DJI Power 1000 has over 1,000 watt hours of storage capacity. And it has a 2200 watt pure sine wave inverter. So guys, another great feature is that it has a wireless dongle. This is a transmitter. We plug it right into the SDC light port. You can hook it to Wi-Fi or use Bluetooth with your phone and the DJI Home app, and you can control your DJI Power 1000 from anywhere. If you don't want to charge your DJI Power 1000 with a gas generator and solar isn't available, check this out. All right guys, today we're going to install the 1 kW super fast car charger from DJI. This is going to be a great companion for the DJI Power 1000 for traveling, road trips, van lifers, or like for us, we're going to go on a little adventure this winter for a week, and it's going to charge super fast as compared to a regular car or cigarette plug. So install the proper fuse that they include with it to a power source to your battery or a power source under your hood. We're going to run these through the firewall or through the fender into the vehicle to the back so we can charge the DJI Power 1000. So let's hook this up and then we'll hook up the last wire up front. During your ride, the DJI Power 1000 super fast car charger can utilize the excess electricity from your car's alternator to quickly recharge the Power 1000, reaching over 1,000 watts of power during a drive of approximately 78 minutes, expanding the capacity of your car's electrical system. The 1 kW super fast car charger can stabilize the car battery voltage at 13.5 volts, depending on the voltage status. It can either recharge the Power 1000 or supply power from the Power 1000 to the car battery. This whole install took about 10 to 15 minutes. Increases versatility, and look at that, fast charging on the go.
Got brownie mix, brownies, all made up.
We've been doing a lot of bread and cookies lately. Figure we try some brownies, huh?
Mm-hmm. Here's the light I found, guys. All right, guys, let's see if Jay did a good job. There you go.
Ta-da.
I gotta go see if I can find the bigger light bulbs. Fork test. Nice and clean. Little bit of crumbs, but not in a doughy way, in a perfectly delicious way. First official thing cooked in the mini cabin. Now it's all fancy. Now I just gotta get a sink in here. I know what I want. I just gotta find a good deal for it. Because you know that's how we roll. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
There we go.
Looks really nice. Even with that, it's nice and bright. It's
Yep.
a little less bright, but it was pretty
Jason
bright.
wanted something that was bright, and I wanted something that wasn't ugly. So we found the perfect light. I like how it kind of looks like stained glass.
It looks like it's from the 80s now that it's in here. It looks 70-ish.
I don't know. I like it.
All it needs is like a hunter green rim too.
Then it would be 70s-ish, 100%.
Yeah. It's like a piece of hunter green or like lime green.
It's like an old bar lamp.
Yeah. It looks totally, like it looks fine. It just has a different look in here. But it matches your countertop.
That's why I like it though. I just gotta get a sink. But we got a lot done with our DJI.
So guys, I'm really impressed with the DJI Power 1000. My favorite part of it is how compact and lightweight it is. So it's easy to take with you on the go. The DJI Power 1000 weighs under 29 pounds. Use it off grid or use it while camping or traveling. Or if you live in a disaster prone area, keep it for home backup and emergency type situations. The DJI Power 1000 is extremely streamlined. It has all the ports you need and none of the ones you don't. Its dual 140 watt USB-C ports make fast charging a breeze. So Jen and I are really impressed with the DJI Power 1000. If you need a small, compact, and very portable power station, use the links in the description box below. It'll take you there quick and get you the best deal. We appreciate you guys, and we appreciate DJI for sponsoring this video and supporting this channel. Without you and these great sponsors, we couldn't do what we do here. So thanks for hanging out with us during this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Best wishes.
Enjoy the first bite. Alright, we're gonna enjoy brownies. Hope you enjoyed our video.
We'll see you in the next one.
We'll see you in the next video.